Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the tab row at the bottom. This is where hidden sheets live. Once done, make sure the workbook or sheet is not protected, because protection prevents unhiding. If protection exists, go to Review, choose Unprotect Sheet, and enter a password if prompted. Now click any visible sheet tab to set focus. This step primes Excel to display the Unhide option. You do this so the Unhide command appears in the right context, ready for the next action. You proceed by invoking the Unhide command, right-click any visible sheet tab and pick Unhide. Alternatively, use Home, then Format, then Hide and Unhide, and choose Unhide Sheet. Both paths reach the same dialog. Once the Unhide dialog appears, read the list. It shows only sheets currently hidden. Select the sheet name you want to restore and press OK. This immediately returns the sheet to the tab row, visible and editable. Make sure the sheet isn't set to Very Hidden in VBA, which requires a different approach. You finish by verifying visibility and addressing issues. If Unhide didn't reveal the sheet, it may be very hidden in VBA. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor, find the sheet under VBA Project, and check its visible property. Change it to -1, Excel Sheet Visible, to restore normal visibility. Once changed, save the workbook and reopen it to confirm the tab appears. If you still have problems, check Workbook Protection and any add-ins that hide sheets automatically. Those can reapply hiding when the file opens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.